What's up? What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day on this Sunday, guys. Let's go ahead. I want to look at the market today. Looks like we're turning around, guys. Looks like everything is good. Looks like we're making a turn. We talked about this here on the live stream, that we thought that the market was going to start turning and start turning for the positive, and it looks like that's the kind of course that we've been on all weekend long. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to have a look at that market. We're gonna go ahead and look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, maybe look at a couple other altcoins, talk about kind of where this market is and where we can expect this market to go. So without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's get right in. Let's get right after it, guys. So right now it looks like, if you come over here on Coin Market Cap, looks like we're sitting at about a $2.2 trillion market cap. That's up about $1 billion since Friday. Obviously, we've had some things happen here in the United States with the attempted assassination of Donald Trump and all of that stuff that really, people are saying has pushed up Bitcoin, right? Because, Donald Trump was the presidential candidate who supported cryptocurrency, right? Now, whether or not that's true or whether it's not, that's not true. I'm not here to talk politics. We're here to look at the charts and look at the facts, right? So Friday when we live streamed, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index was sitting at just teetering on fear. It looks like it's at 45. It's in neutral again, so definitely start to gain in some momentum there, right? So we look at Bitcoin too. It looks like it busted through the $60,000 mark here at $60,000, $60,000 and 16. It's up 2.3% on the day. Looks like Ethereum is coming through that 3,000 mark where it was kind of struggling to hang on to. Looks like it's at 3,190. Looks like it's trying to get to 3,200. So definitely on a move up, along with BNB here is definitely making a move up 1% to the upside, guys. And Solana as well, 145. Solana's kind of been hanging in the background a little bit, but definitely up 3.9% on the day. So definitely looking good. But XRP has been on an absolute tear, guys. When you look at XRP is up to 52 cents, right? It's up 22.9% on the week. And this has just happened within the past couple days, right? XRP has really started to move forward, and really started to move to the upside, breaking above that 50-cent mark again, where the past couple of days it's really struggled to hang on to that 50-cent mark. So definitely looking good over here on XRP. So maybe there's some stuff coming down the pike that is really just not out there yet, but the whales are definitely starting to accumulate more and more XRP. We talked about this on the channel as well. When you look at XRP, every time it falls below 50 cents, the whales start to accumulate and bring that price back up to 50 cents. We moved over here to the 7-day chart, guys. As you guys can see from the 7-day chart, XRP definitely has taken a good step forward here in the past couple days. So big props to XRP for doing what they're doing. We do hold a lot of XRP over here. Love to see that positive price action on XRP. Let's go ahead. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart. See where I think we're going to go. All right, so we're moved over to Trading View here, guys. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna have a look at the chart over here for Bitcoin. We are on the daily chart, so we're gonna have a look. We're gonna see, where we see things right now. But Bitcoin has just dropped below 60K as I was flipping this over. So $59,952 right now. Kind of what I was going to talk to you guys about. I kind of, if you look at the support line right here, it's roughly around 58K. So there's a chance that it can come back down here and retest this 58.3 mark. But I do see some resistance up here at right around 60 61.9. I'm sorry, right around 61.9, 61.8. So even if we come down here and we back test this this support line here of 50, 55, 58, I'm sorry. If we come down here and back test this $58,000 mark, there's a chance that we can run up to right around 60, 62, somewhere up in there, and hit this resistance line and see if, as you guys can see, this line here has become resistance, a number of times here. One, two, three, four, four times already, right? So definitely some resistance there. So I think that this is going to be our top out point here for a minute until we can gain some strength right around that 63 mark, high 62, 63 mark. So definitely looking for Bitcoin to back test and then move to the upside. I think there's a lot of positive sentiment in the market right now where Bitcoin will start to move to the upside here, and as much like it has throughout the day, but continue that move to the upside. Coming over here, looking at Ethereum, right? You see Ethereum looks like it's really, it came down here and it tested this 3,300 mark and definitely bounced off of that and moved to the upside, sitting at $3,183 right now. Looks like the next line of resistance here for Ethereum's going to be roughly around 3,300, somewhere up in there, 3,310 actually. So it looks like it's bounced off this line a couple times and came back down. So definitely look for Ethereum to possibly run right up here to this line, to this price range right here of right around 3,000, right around $3,020, right? And it may come down here and back test this line here of 3,000, the low 3,000s, before it actually makes that move to the upside. But look for that to be Ethereum's next move is right up to that 3,025 mark, somewhere up in there. So definitely look for that back test and that retrace on Ethereum. I think with the Ethereum ETFs and everything coming out, Ethereum's definitely going to run hot, right? It's definitely going to run hot. So we've got to be prepared for that, and I think it will, and I think Ethereum will be just fine. And and looking at Solana, we look at Solana because there's a lot of hot meme coins over there. Solana does a lot of volume on this blockchain. Plus, it's a great moneymaker, right? And when we looking at Solana right now, Solana's sitting at $144.86 right now. It looks like its next line of resistance here is right around that 150 mark. So look for Solana to come up and test that 150. It maybe get kicked back down here, somewhere right around where it is now, the 140. The 144s to 144 to right around 140 area. Look for it to maybe go up and hit this 150 line and come on back down before it makes its next move to the top side, guys. So definitely this market is starting to turn around. This market's starting to look good. The sentiment in the market is good. And I always like to remind people when we're talking about these things is, during the last bull run, Bitcoin itself had a 20% pullback probably 5 or 6 times during that bull run. So, what we went through here in this pullback with Germany and, a couple other things going on with Bitcoin is pretty much, standard for the course, that pullback, that retracement, that accumulation, and that next move up. It looks like we're in one of the moves up here. So definitely look for that in the market, and we'll know that we're really kicking off this bull run when these altcoins start running, right? When some of that money starts to flow out of Bitcoin and starts to flow into these altcoins, and these altcoins really start to move to the upside. That's where the real money's made. That's when people are going to make a large portion of their money, and that's when we're going to know that we're in that full-fledged bull run, when we really start to see these altcoins up 30, 40, 50%, getting back to their all-time highs. So, with that, guys, that's the market update. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that share button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys, for all your crypto content. We keep you guys up to date with the news and live streams, standalone videos, along with a whole bunch of shorts that we're starting to put more and more out of just breaking news that's happening at the time. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys, and keep up to date. Appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys have a great day, and we're out to the next one.